The Makita DF012DSE Cordless Driver Drill Kit feels impressively compact and light in hand, making it easy to use for extended assembly or repair work without fatigue. Its 2-speed gearbox and Makita-built motor provide a surprising amount of torque for such a small tool, giving enough power for both delicate tasks and tougher fastening jobs. The wide range of clutch settings, combined with the automatic shutoff feature, allows very precise control, so screws stop exactly where you want them without stripping materials. Being able to switch between a straight inline body and a pistol-style grip makes the driver comfortable in tight spaces and more versatile on different projects. The integrated work light and low battery indicator are genuinely useful touches that help you see what you are doing and avoid unexpected downtime. Overall, this kit offers a well-balanced blend of portability, control, and reliable performance that suits both serious hobbyists and professionals who need a compact driver.